What you hear and see, it's what we really need. It's a truck which can transport artworks from Czech Republic to Denmark and back. Hi, my name is Jura Plieštík. I'm a Czech artist living in Denmark. Me and my wife, Brit, who is holding the camera, have put together an exhibition called Out of Reality. The exhibition will present 10 Czech contemporary artists and will be shown in a gallery space, former factory, called Hall 7 in Roskilde, Denmark.
A figurative starting point and sublime mastery of traditional techniques is the common ground of the 10 chosen artists. But though rooted in the tradition of classical art, our artists distort, challenge and play with their motives in new ways. Rather than depicting the sensed world, the so-called reality, their art explore our inner landscapes, metaphysical and existential questions, dreamy and subconscious dimensions. The exhibition will be an opportunity for the Danes to experience contemporary art that is very different from the conceptual and super abstract art which dominate the art scene in Denmark. Also, it's a chance for 10 excellent Czech artists to show their work in Scandinavia. In the world of art, it's commonly believed that painting is dead. We believe that these 10 artists prove that the very opposite is the case.
This is a low-budget art event. We are organizing it all ourselves. The exhibition is already supported by Roskilde and Pardubice municipalities and by the Czech Embassy in Denmark. But we still need to put together money for the transport of the artworks from Czech Republic to Denmark and back again. And that's where we need your help. Láska prdel, láska prdel. Thank you for supporting our project. We are looking forward to show you the exhibition in September 2012.